Hey guys, welcome back to Big Giant Tech. Now this is the second segment of this video section on how to install your visa immigration website, which consists of hotel bookings and flight booking. Now this is new design, you never get anywhere online. Now this is for educational purpose only and for those who are looking for a way to add more designs to their legitimate businesses. Alright, so I'm using Hostinga for this video section. As you can see, this is my domain, which is empty. Now the next step is you go to your hosting environment, either cPanel or hPanel, locate file manager, so this is my file manager. So I'll go straight to my public_html. Now if you're using an add-on domain, which is on cPanel, most times you're able to see your add-on domain in the same folder of your public_html, so just go and click on it. So I'll just locate your add-on domain if you're using anyone. So if you're new to cPanel, for instance, go to the top right corner, click on settings, then a drop-up will show, which shows you guys to click on show all hidden files. Very important. Okay, and the next section here is let's go to upload and let's select our file. So this is my design, so I will just click on the zip file. Now while this is loading, go back to your dashboard. Let's create our database. Now go to go to database wizard if you're using cPanel. While using Hostinga or any other hosting, just locate your database section. So let me just fill out this information. So after you've done inputting your database name and database username, if you're using cPanel, once you click on save, it takes you to a new section which shows all privileges. Ensure to click on it. Very important. Now after you've saved your information, so let me just save my information on my notepad. As you can see, I've saved my information. Now click create. Now before anything, go straight to phpMadmin if you're using cPanel. So I'll go to my database name. If you have multiple databases, so just go to your database name. Then I'll click on import. Then I'll choose my file. Then I'll scroll down and click what import. As you can see, my file has been uploaded successfully. Now I'll go back to my hosting environment. Next section here is we have to create our company email. I won't be doing that in this video section because I've created mine already. So just go to email account and create your company email. So let me check my file. My file has been uploaded successfully. Now the next section here is we have to extract this file. So I'll right click and extract. Since I'm using Hostinga, I have to put in a folder name. So I'll go to this folder I created, ensure to copy all and move this back to your public_html or your add-on domain. Then I have to delete the folder and also the zip file. I'll click delete. Good. Now the next section here is on how we're able to merge our database and also our website together. Now go to en, then come to where you have config. On that config, come to db.php, edit this. So the database you created, remember I told you guys to always save your information on your notepad. Just copy them and here should be our database name. So what you're doing basically is copy and what paste. So you copy the exact information you created. So as you can see what I'm doing, I am ensuring that my information that I'm copying and pasting is not going out of the columns to prevent errors. So once you've done this, you click word save. Then we come to functions.php. Now for the functions.php section, we're not doing anything because everything is being called from the admin section. So we're good to go. So I'll go back to my public_html. Now go locate your hosting, your domain name, then reload the section. So guys, this is the front end of the website, which is nice and which is slick. This is new design. Now this design, I have to do this for a legitimate clients that are asking for a design, but I have to make this design public because of the pricing. Alright, this is how it is. Now how you will be able to edit this design is easy. Go back to your public_HTML or where you have your domain files located. Now we have something we called header and footer. The header section, just edit this. Now this you can change the address here because most of the information is being called from the database. So just change the address and other information you find not fit into your liking. So you do the same thing for the footer.php. Now this is the footer.php. So you do the same process. So the rest, if you go to about the index.php, just scroll down and you're able to edit most of the information. So this is how you edit the front end. So I just want to create that awareness for you guys. Now the next section here is to log in your admin. It should be your domain name /en/admin/login.php. So this is for the admin section. Your domain name /en/admin/login.php. So there is, if you're getting this file from me, there's an installation process, installation file. You'll be able to see most of the information for yourself. Now go to your PHP admin, go to admin section. Now this is the admin information. You can change this, edit this. So let me just change this username to, let me say, daily55. Sorry, do not put number. I'm gonna say daily admin, and let me just change this to 6. Also change this to your company email you created. Ensure there is no space while you're pasting your information, then click on go. So as I come back here, let me put my username. So I'll just put my username, then this is 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now click login. As you can see, we've successfully logged into the website. Now this is how it is. As you can see guys, this is how it works. So this is the dashboard section here. Now this is a customized design from another customized design, which is perfect. So I have to customize most of the sections. So once you come to website settings, now let's change our website name, and URL. So I'll copy my URL here and change this, remove the slash behind it. Now change this name to your company name. Then change this to your let's see. So we're changing this to our company email. Then change this to your phone number. Okay, just make sure you put your phone number here or WhatsApp number. Now ensure to change this to your wallet address, very important. Then this is for your Cash App, and also this is for your PayPal. Ensure to change all this because this is what I added. So after you've done this, click on save. Good. Now the next section here is let's say, come to account settings. Okay, this is where you can also change your information here if you want to, and your password also. Now go to bank account settings. Now this is a demo bank account settings. You can delete them and add new bank. So for instance, I'm adding new bank to this. Let me just put this as UBA. Now this is a demo. Let me just put demo here. Then add bank. So we've added the UBA. Let me just delete this one and delete this. Good. Now this is our demo, which is good. So I have a user here. I had a user already, but I'll show you guys how to do this the right way. Now the very first thing, we have manage hotels. If you come to manage airport, sorry, and these are airports here, you can also add your own airports to this. Let me just go back. If you click on add airports, now you put the city name and let's say the country. Let me put this in Nigeria, the city, Lagos. Airport code for Lagos, okay, let me just put this for example purpose. Then the time zone, let's say for the time zone, let me just put Africa, Lagos. Then I'll click on submit. So we've added our airport here. If you come to manage airports, let me just go back to tree. Let's see. So don't worry, we've added the airport already. So the next section here is to add a new flight to this. So we need two airports. Let me go back to manage airports. So let me add another airport to this. Let me say this is Warri. So let me say Warri Republic. Then the time zone, same. Let me just change this to Africa Delta. I'll click submit. So let me head back to dashboard. The next section here is, let me go to add new flights. So as you can see, I just click back on the flight. I was having a glitch, so I have to fix it. Okay, so the next section here is once you come to add new flights, we have for the one-way trip and also have for the two, which is round trip, which is going and coming back. So users can also click here and also here. Good. So let me just create a one-way trip so you guys understand. So let me just put a date. Now, since I'm creating a one-way trip for the admin, the date doesn't matter, but just have to put something. Since it's today, let me just backdate this to then. This is for the one-way trip. Then let me just put the year. Something like this. You can just this is the year. Now the arrival doesn't matter for if it's this particular time, no, but just have to set it this way. So for the time frame, the time from Lagos to Delta State is just 1 hour. So I'm saying the trip will start 9:50. Then let me just put 10:50. Now you select the origin, which is, let me locate it. I see Lagos to destination here is Warri. So this is how one way works. Now this is for economy price, business and first class. Now the number of seats available for this, then something like this. Then you can add free cancellation or non-refundable. They add the baggage they carried, which is the luggage, which is in kgs, and this is how it works. Now if you want to create a round trip, if you come to round trip, now round trip now is in a different form, but it's still the same process. So let me just set this way. Let me just put this here for the round trip. The time also. So this is what I'm doing. Now for the return leg here should be, let's say, the same time. Okay, should be the same time. Here should be, since it's returning, see the same time. Okay, and 1050. Good. So let me just change this to economy. Here is let me say 60. Business here is 80, and the first class 500. So let me just leave it this way and click what? Create this. Now I've created this for the round trip. Let me just create it again for the one way and reduce this price, because most times flights also have different flights on if you are booking a flight, most times you're able to see different flight amounts based on different airports. You understand? But this is just one airport we're using. Okay, let me just put this as let me say this goes for 11 o'clock to let's say 12. Now destination here is Lagos to Warri. So I'll just leave it this price this way and create. So this is how you create flights. Now if you go to off flight list, now this is a list users has already booked. Okay, this is an example purpose. Now if you come to hotel bookings, okay, this is hotel booking. Now if you want to add hotels to this information, go to add hotel rooms. Now I've added already. You can also edit this section. Click on edit and you're able to do all this. Okay, but let me just create a new one. Add new room. Now this is for Lagos. Let me put the name here. Let's say Cuban Hotel Resort. Price per night here should be, let me say, in dollars. Let me just put 20. Now this is for deluxe room, kings. Let me put the square meter and access to all these amenities. Get free food or square meal. Good. So let me upload multiple image for this. Okay, so for instance I want to upload all this image. If this is an hotel image, for instance, let me just upload this. Okay, so this is an example. I'll click on open. Now it shows 5 files. Now I'll click on save. So this is it, as you can see, and it also creates multiple hotel rooms for if users are going and coming back. Meaning, if you're creating for Lagos, it also creates for Warri. But for example purpose, this is how you do it. Okay, so that is that. Now if you come to visa user document required for the application, this is it, as you can see. So without further ado, let me just go straight to how a user sign up is. Once user come to get started, so they fill out the form. So let me put a password. So I need a strong password for this. Then users have to fill out this security question, then agree to the terms and create account. So let me check my email. So this is it. You can say welcome. Okay, so this is it. Now in order to get this information, in order to change your email, just your logo, it's easy to do. Also go to your file manager, go to en folder. So this is for your this is your favicon, and this is your logo. So this is how you edit it, you change it. Okay, so we're good to go. Then I'll put in my password, then I'll sign in. As you can see, login successfully. So guys, this is the front end of the website, and it also gets user active location. So I'm using VPN for this for example purpose. Okay, so this is how it works. Basically, this is how it is. Users can also take it to white from a white background. Now users KYC is pending, so let me just do that. Once I click on verify now it takes us to the KYC section. So I'm filling out this information. Okay, so I have imputed this information and uploaded my IDs and informations and selfie. I'll click on submit KYC information. As you can see, I'll click on continue, which shows users their verification is in progress. They also get email. Okay, so as I go back to admin section, come to go to user KYC, and this is it. I'll click on view docs. You can able to see all the information the user uploaded. Then I'll approve this information. Good. Now you can see the approved history, which is nice. Now once I reload this section here, which is user information, you're just able to see that KYC is verified. Once I go back to dashboard, this is it. Now users can also upload profile image. Come to profile section. So this is it. So let me just upload a image here. So users will come down here and put in their upload their profile image. Cursor right. Let me just say okay. So I'll scroll down and click on save changes. So as you can see, users have uploaded a profile image, which is good. So I'll go straight to dashboard. As you can see, account verified successfully. Okay, now users can also add funds to their account, but I won't go through that route. I'll go straight to apply for visa. So they'll have to choose their plan. If you go to admin section, go to visa price. These are the plans. You're able to add new plan if you want to. Okay, add new plan, and you can also edit the old one. So go back again to the user section. What you have to do is select a plan which you're going for. So I'll choose this and fill out this information. So before you go through a visa process in any website, ensure to go to the embassy, and the embassy will always send you accredited agents to follow up on your visa. Do not just go to any website online you see and start registering for visa process. Do not do that. Okay, so click on this, and this is good. So I'm using the work visa. Once you click on the work visa, it takes you down here. Select your duration of years you want. Let me just stay for 1 year and fill out this information. Single type, intended traveling date. Let me just put this, your passport number, the passport expiring date, date of birth, select your gender, your marital status, then also employment, education, your company, let me just put this high school. Then the amount for your annual income in USD, it is, let me just put 400 USD. Or let me just put this to 5,000. Okay, then the contact information. So I'll click on submit visa application. As you can see, this is how it works. Application submitted successfully. Now it takes it to my application section here, which urge you guys to make the payments for your plan. So once users click on view details, able to see how it works, and this is very mobile responsive. So this is how it looks in mobile device. It's very mobile responsive. As you can see, it's very mobile responsive. So for instance, users come to this section, have not done anything. Admin can also come to their website, admin dashboard, go to support. Admin can also create a ticket for this user. Let's say, okay, sorry, users has to create a ticket first. Okay, I think I forgot to do that. So once user come to this section, click on pay now. Takes them to the payment section. So users have to, as you can see, the purpose here already. So let's see, users can click on bank transfer. These are the information we added. PayPal, as you can see, not available, right? So which is good. Users can also pay with gift card. So let's go to bank transfer and select this and upload the payment receipt. So this is how it works. So I'll click on submit payment. Good. So go back to admin. Once you come to admin section, let's see, go to view deposit. Okay, this is the deposit by the user. As you can see, work visa. So this is good. Once you click on payment proof, be able to confirm it yourself as an admin. So once you've confirmed it, just come here and click status. You click approve, meaning you've approved the deposit, and update status. So users come to their platform. So let me go back to my application. As you can see, one total application submitted. If users have already made the payment, now users have to come to the document section. As you can see, for the work, this is the 2 documents required, so users have to upload it. So let's see, it says employment contract and company documents. So let me upload this image. So I'll click on upload documents. So the last one again, which is employment contract, I'll come back down here again. If it is student, user have to upload everything. Okay, everything required. So I'll click upload document again. Good. As you can see, 2 documents uploaded. Now users can be able to view what they upload here. So go back to admin section, then come to this section, go to admin, go to let's say we need to view our documents. Click on user documents, and this is the user document here. The 2 documents were uploaded, so I'll click on view. So this is how you see the user document. After you've seen it, you click on status, verify this document, and also you verify the document. If it is good, if it's not nice, just reject it. Okay, for example purpose, I'm verifying it. So once I come back to this section and let's say reload the section, okay, so we're good to go. Now what next for the user is for the admin to process their application. So once I come to visa application, this is the user here, as you can see the username. Then you click on view, you're able to see all the information as an admin. Then go to status. So if it is, just change this to under review and update. Once I come back here, go to dashboard. You can see total application 1, right? Approved, this is 0. As you can see, payment submitted. So this is good. This is good. Now after you let me go to my application again. You can see under review, which is under review. I can see fee paid. Okay, now once you as an admin you approve the information, so let me go back to the user section and reload this section here. As you can see, document this has been approved. So let me go back to user dashboard. One visa approved, right? This is good. So what next is users can also come to, okay, they want to book their flights, and let me select a round trip, for instance. Okay, let me just say economy. Okay, I'm booking this for 2 people, for instance. Then select let me say from Lagos to Warri. Now this is, if it is one trip, it will be just one date here. As you can see, if it's one trip. Now if it is 2 trips, it is going and what's coming. So I think let me just start with one trip first. So I'll select the date. Let me just put on the 13th and search for one-way flight. As you can see, these are the flights. Remember what I told you guys, I created for return and coming back. And see, so users can also search for either of these flights. So this time is different. If they're going by 11, this is $200. By going by 9:50, this is 120, as you can see. So now click on book flight. So if we are filling our flight information, we're filling the information for 2 people, but one of the user is getting the old ticket. So let me just fill out this. So I'll take this to Mrs. So who is getting this? The user that has an account here. So I'll click on continue to payments. So this is for the flight booking checkout. So this is how it is. So I just want to copy a test card for example purpose. So for instance, user is paying with credit card. As you can see, once I put in the card number, it automatically gets it is a MasterCard. And also now this is for example purpose. Then the card name here, good. So this is how it is. Users can also pay with bank transfer. All your information here, as you can see, your crypto wallet. Users can also copy the information here, also for the PayPal and what Cash App. So users can also pay with that. Okay, so I'm just go with this and click on pay this. So this is for example. Now users can just come back here and click on view tickets. So guys, this is how the one-way ticket is, which is nice. As you can see, both names are showing. 2 passengers. So if you're going for return ticket, also the same process. You can see the hours, 1 hour. You can see how it works. This is perfect. Okay, this is how a perfect design should look like. Users can also print their tickets. Okay, users can also print their ticket in PDF. Alright, let me just go back to the dashboard section. So what next is once you come to admin, then let's go to let's say it should be all flight lists. Okay, sorry, come to pending bookings for the flight section. Then if you click on info, you're able to see the user payment information and how it works. Then if you click approve this, good. If you approve this, and if you come to approve bookings, you're able to see the information you have approved. Okay, now this is the user tracking ID for the flights. So users can also come here, copy this and come to their website, go to track flights and put in their track ID and track now. So once they go to track flight, able to track the to see their tickets. So that's how it works. Once you are tracking their flight ID, they're able to get back their flight tickets. So that's how that information works. Okay, so if you come to hotels, now this is the hotels. This is one we created. So once user come to this section, let me just this is one we created. So let me just select check in. Now I'll click on book now. So we are booking this for 2 days. So I can select the Bitcoin amount. If you want to pay through Bitcoin or bank transfer, as you can see. So let me just use bank transfer. So I'll just click on confirm payment. Then I'll go to view my bookings. So as you can see, this is it. Users can also click on receipts. So this is the hotel booking receipt. So they can also print it out. So go back to your admin, go to hotel bookings. So this is it. Admin can view the user payment proof and also approve or reject their hotel bookings. So this is it. Once I come back to the user section and reload here, as you can see, approved. So users are also getting emails, as you can see. So this is good, guys. I've shown you guys how it works. Now the last but not the least, users can also create a support. Now once I create tickets, let me just add something, make this I and hello, and submit tickets. So admin can also get this, as you can see. Admin can also get this information, and admin come to admin section here, go to support. Admin can manage this and reply the user. So users and admin can also chat. Let me reload here. You can see answered. We're looking into it. Okay. Now click reply. So as you can see, this is how it works. Admin can also get this information. Go to answer, go to open. You can see, you can manage this and continue the same process. So that's how it works. Now users can also get information here. So this is good, guys. This is good. So this is how it works basically. And the next section here is I think we're done. Last but not the least, come to add funds. Now this users can add funds to their account as, let me just put this as wallet funding, 3,000. Let me pay with Bitcoin. Users copy the wallet address and upload their payment proof. So I'll click on submit payment. As you can see, so I go back to dashboard section, go to admin, go to let's say view deposit. As you can see, once you admin come in and click on status, approve this. Now I go back to user section, reload this section here. So you see it won't show. Go to active users. On this your particular user, so this is the user, click here and go to edit. So this is the section here, let's say. So this is where you top up the account with the funds they added. So let me just put this as the 3,000. Your deposit. Then click on process transactions. Then once you come back here, reload this section, as you can see. Now if you want users to create a support ticket, if you go to admin, go to active users, click on send notification. Yeah, I'll just put this as hello, then please use the support to create a ticket. Then click send notification. Now once users reload their dashboard, once I click here, able to see this. So basically if you want users to do a particular information, just send them notification and they'll do it. So guys, this is how it works. As you can see, this is nice and this is unique. Users can also translate their websites depending on the country. Now if you like this design, guys, please hit the subscribe button, like, share and comment with Big Giant Tech, guys. See you guys in the next video.